Well, this comes as the CDC releases its report on how Smithfield can improve safety for workers during the pandemic. And while the CDC is asking the pork processing plant to make significant changes, all of them are just recommendations. Kettleland's Travis Fossing shows us how state officials are reacting to the report.
11 of the 15 pages from the CDC report outline recommendations to help reduce the spread of COVID-19 in the Sioux Falls processing plant.
They've been working well with us, with the CDC, with the Department of Ag, and even the Vice President's been involved to make sure that we're able to put in some of those recommendations and get it up and running as soon as possible.
The report lists 8 things Smithfield Foods plans to implement, including bringing in thousands of hand sanitizer dispensers, adding more time clocks, and putting in plexiglass barriers in areas where people work close together.
My team at the Department of Health is going to continue to work with Smithfield and offer any assistance that we can to help them implement these CDC recommendations so that they can safely reopen the plant as soon as possible.
The CDC compiled the report despite not being able to evaluate active work sites during its visit.
The thing that you need to keep in mind is that when the CDC came on site, the facility was already closed for production purposes.
The South Dakota Department of Health will continue to work with Smithfield on every case tied to the plant.
We have been working with Smithfield to identify where exactly in the plant those positive cases occurred. And so, yes, that's definitely information that we would have available to us and will help us in the response to reopen the Smithfield plant.
We stand ready to send the Department of Health to help and walk through the plant and be ready to get it up and online. I don't see any reason for there to be long delays, and we're hoping to partner with them to open it as soon as possible.
In Sioux Falls, Travis Fossing, Kettleland News.
And once the plant reopens, the Department of Health will continue to assess the impact of the changes made by Smithfield Foods.